Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a bit girl Zuchi, and I'm back again with another exciting video. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make beans flour from raw beans. Yes, it is possible. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a beans flour straight from raw beans. Let's get right into this video. For my beans flour, I'm going to be using white beans for this. Well, this method is not for everyone, especially those that don't eat beans or the chaff of beans, let me put it that way. Okay, you may want to soak the beans and wash off the skin, and also you may want to pick out the beans that are so bad, because that's where the insects, or should I say the weevils, hide. So I'm just going to take the beans and pick out the dirt. Okay, so after I'm done picking out the dirt, I just transferred my beans into my blender. Yeah, my blender is a commercial blender. It can blend anything, but that doesn't mean I should overload my blender with so much beans. So what I'm going to do is just to blend batch by batch until I have exhausted the beans. So next I'm going to do now is to cover up the blender, then place it on the blender stand, then blend until it is completely grinded to powder. Oops, I forgot to mention, well, along the line I had to stop doing it because I shot this video in the midnight, let me say 1 a.m. So my people were all asleep, so the more I turn it on, the more it keep waking them up. So that's why, and moreover, I was using my gin. You have to be careful. Maybe if you have this kind of blender, you have to be very, very careful because it destroys the copper of a gin. Yeah. I was so scared, so I couldn't blend it very well because I was using gin, and two, I don't want to disturb those sleeping. So I just blended the one I can, and I use a sieve. Pass through a sieve. As you can see, it's pretty obvious that it didn't blend well. Trust me, before I made this video, I have blended lots and lots of beans that I used for my pap on my moi, also known as beans pudding. So I didn't want to disturb anybody. That was why I had to do everything a bit. So what you're going to do is you continue to blend, even if you save it and you see those ones that refuse to blend, please go ahead, return them into the blender and blend them until it is finally grinded. You don't want to waste your beans. Okay, I tried to blend the beans because I couldn't get enough of beans flour to show. As you can see, I still have left over unpowdered, or should I say ungrinded beans. Now this is how your beans flour should look like when you're done. Please ignore my voice. I'm actually making a voice over in the midnight, so I wouldn't want to disturb everyone. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Now after you blend your beans, please do well to put it on a plate, so that when you blend a dry ingredients, it becomes so hot, which is why I placed the flour on a plate so that it can cool off before transferring it in an airtight container. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.